I've been able to conduct research designing medical devices to treat pancreatic cancer.
I'm not worrying about having to get a job during the school year. That gives me a lot of time to explore, and that's a big deal.
If I didn't have the scholarship, I would be working as well as going to school full-time, which would be very stressful and hard on getting my homework done.
Research in the U.S. is based on proposals and reviews, and it can sometimes move very slowly. Sometimes you need to get out there and get data fast. And when you have funds that you can use to get that data quickly, you can really move quickly into a new area.
I use this mostly for travel, not just for myself, but also for my first-year grad students. I took one of my students to the Society of Automotive Engineers World Congress, and she totally got into it. And on the ride home from Detroit, we planned next year's paper. So she's already raring to go for next year's conference.
All of this funding is not necessarily funding to support just me. It really goes directly into supporting graduate students and undergraduate students to take part in a lot of these activities.
The funding has enabled us to take a futuristic view of engineering and science, to identify national priorities and cutting-edge opportunities, and then to pursue them.
We develop new courses. We offer opportunities for undergraduate students to do research. There is no other program that provides this kind of opportunity for the student. The credit goes to Hankin, thinking ahead, and the result is that after 30 years, this is flourishing and is becoming more and more popular.
Our family's investment in Penn State comes from really the love of, our dad and all the things associated with our connection with him and Penn State together. And it's a real good legacy for my parents.
I mean, I'm a very big champion of Penn State's architectural engineering program. Big champion. We're really quite blessed to have been able to give back. That's how I feel about it, is we were blessed to be able to do it.
My hope is to be in the top 5 industrial engineering departments in the country, and I want to help them get there. So not only does the gift give, hopefully, to the university, but in return, it's given us good things back.
I feel very strongly about the need to invest in young people's futures. Certainly others before me did the same for me and made it possible for this institution to exist and grow.
It's very heartwarming to meet these kids, and it just really hit me that, boy, these are really important to these young students.
I've achieved a level of success that's probably far greater than I ever dreamed I would have, and with that comes some financial rewards, and we want to be able to give back to those who helped us get where we are.
It is a huge help. It pushes me to keep going forward and do the best that I can.
The funding from this chair has been absolutely transformational.
This type of philanthropy is really important. It endows new faculty with a sense of confidence.
It's made a huge impact in my life, and I would love to help other people afterwards.
I'm tremendously grateful that the donors had the foresight to help establish this professorship.
It was one of the reasons I came here, and having an endowed professorship of the kind that I have is probably the main reason I stay.
Knowing that somebody has helped me and supported me, that makes me want to turn around and give back and support another student at Penn State.